On this new video, I will show you how I create this render. Here we have the final result of this render. You can see here, it's really good quality. And also in this video, I'd like to show you how to make the skin smooth without any extra details that can sometimes destroy your render. And also I will show you how to create these details here in her face and in her body. So let's see. Actually, here we have the scene of this render, and you can see that we just have a character, a point light, and this source of light. And I will show you how to use it exactly in this video. So file, new. Let's create it again because I like to show you all the details about how to create this render. So actually to create this render is really easy, it's not complicated. And of course I will use my products, the oily skin products, the HDRI map and the presets for Lightroom or for Photoshop, and also the shape. And of course, and as always, if you like to support me and get all these products, you can enjoy the discount and get it from the link in description. We have the basic Genesis 8 female here. Let's apply the character. So you need to focus in this point here because you can see here that the good render depends of the details that you add. You need to be careful to the details. Okay, let's see. Let's come back to this. Here we have the character. First thing, let's apply the shape, and I will use shape number C. Now we need to change the clothes. I have this dress here. Let's delete the basic clothes. So let's create new camera. I have here the camera. Let's just adjust the frame here. We have here the camera. Let's change to NVIDIA. You can see that just the shape is really important. That's a big difference here. It's really important for the look. Okay, here we don't have any option to change the hair color. For that, I will select the hair and go to surfaces, select hair, and from the base color, I will change it to black, like that, to make it black. Go to environment, then go to background, change the background to black. Just like that. So now I need to change the pose. Okay, so now I need to adjust the frame. And okay, let's see. For example, like that. I need to change her just like that. Adjust so many things here, you know. You can see here always we don't have good result because the key to get the result is actually to use the HDRI map and just create a new point light and just make it like that. You can see here, okay, just now we need to change the direction and make it something like that. You can see the difference, like the big difference. Just now we adjust like that, the pose of a frame, pose. Okay, so now I need to show you something really important. So if I select, for example, this part of her body and I just zoom, you can see those details here. So many details that I don't need it. How to make the skin look smooth? Really easy. Just click here, select Genesis 8 female, go to surfaces, select Genesis 8 female. We have surfaces, no, click here in skin, lips and nails and search here for something called bump. Then just make this number 2 0. You can see the difference. I come back to 0. To 0. So this trick make the skin look smooth. Let's come back here now. You can use skin builder to add some details for her face and her body. You can see here, for example, this points here. I use skin builder to do that. So select Genesis 8 female, go to materials, skin builder, open skin builder, click in here and then click in freckles. Select for the face and for the body. Let's make it like 80 and click apply. Okay, so skin builder may take some time, but don't worry about that. So finally here we have the details. You can see here in her arm, in her body, in her face. Let's see with the NVIDIA AI the result. Yeah, it's good. Really good. So now I need to show you something. So guys, I like to show you all the tricks and all my secrets. Finally, we need to share. I like to share all that with you guys. So for better portrait result, you can use this product. So we go to props and we have a folder called Fabiana. Then here we have this prop. So just select this point here, green point, and just make it like that. Then we just adjust it and make it something just like that. So now we select this prop, go to surfaces, select open, go to emission, and just make it like white like that. Okay, and you can move it something like that, something like that. You can just, but the best result is to make it just like that, to give more light in this part of our character. And now we have something really important, is the oily skin preset. You can get the oily skin preset, the shapes, the HDRI map, and the light and the presets in one package, and you can enjoy the discount. Go to people, Genesis 8 female A, and we have an oily skin. Select Genesis 8 female and apply the oily skin number 4. You can see that the oily skin, so let's see number 3. I think number 4 is good. Finally, you need to add more details for your character, something like, for example, makeup, change the eyes color, and for me, I use these details from other characters. So you can see here that it's not really complicated. Okay, I don't like the way she look. It's look fake. So for that, I will create another camera and select the first eye, and let's make it point at the camera number 2 and point at number 2, just change her eyes position. This is the render, and this is how exactly the same scene that we have that show you for when we start the videos, like the same scene. So this is the render after importing to Lightroom, and now we just need to apply the preset. And okay, here we have it. This is our render, and I think the quality is really good. Okay, so this preset is exactly this preset. You can get it from my store. You have the link to the bundle. Just open it, and we have here presets. And when you open files, we have something called DSM1 My Best One. This is exactly DSM1 My Best One. This is exactly the preset that I use to create this render here. You can see, guys, it's really easy, and I give you all the tricks. I hope you enjoy my products. I hope you enjoy the video. So see you in the next video. Ciao.